Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a review on the Chic bind glue and the removal. And if you guys want to see how I apply this, please stay tuned to the video. And after the video, I will give my personal reviews on it.
Okay guys, so let's get started. I am using my 91% alcohol to clean my hairline down. So you want to make sure that you clean your hairline pretty good so your skin won't be oily or you won't have any residue when you put your glue onto your hairline. So as you guys know, I am using a Chic Bind Extreme Hold, and this glue calls for just one layer and it's supposed to give you a pretty strong hold. But as you guys can see, I put the glue on there and I put too much because this glue comes out really quickly. So when you're putting this glue on, just be careful how much comes out of it. And I try my best to smooth this glue out so I won't have any type of lumps or anything in there. So I try to smooth it out really good so that the glue won't turn white, because if you don't smooth it out clearly, it will turn white. So I smoothed it out pretty good and waited until it turned clear. And once it turned clear, I basically just put my wig on top of it. Okay guys, so now that I'm done putting the wig on it, I'm just kind of trying to massage the wig into the glue and make sure that the wig is nice and secure. And once I am done doing that, I am basically going to put a scarf around my hairline and let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'll remove it and then create my baby hairs and stuff. Okay guys, so here's the finished look once I have put my wig on and also created my baby hairs. So as you can see, you guys, the wig look good. You don't see any white residue from the glue or any of that. The wig actually looks pretty good once I was done. Okay guys, so it has been 5 days later and I am going to remove this wig, but I did not like the fact that the remover did not come with a spray so that I can spray the remover onto my hair. So I had to use the spray from my bold hold bottle. So I just removed that spray nozzle from that bottle and put it onto the Chic bind bottle so that I can spray the remover onto the hair. Okay guys, so I'm making this face because the removal is pretty strong and it was just messing with my nose. But overall the remover worked really good with taking off this wig.
So now that you've seen how I glued and removed the Chic Bond glue, I just want to give you guys my opinion on this glue. So this glue claimed to be for oily skin, is claiming to work for high humidity and high temperature. So it doesn't say that it's waterproof. I don't believe it's saying that it's waterproof, but it does state that all you need is one coat and that'll be it. It'll hold pretty good with one coat. And also, you guys, Chic Bond made 2 versions of it. I have the extreme hold. They also have the premium hold, and the extreme hold is supposed to hold really good. It's supposed to hold. It's supposed to hold, you know. It's supposed to be a tight hold. But yeah, you guys, so I put one layer on. I follow the directions, trying to see would it work. One layer, that's it. So I put the one layer on, and you guys, you know me, when it comes to this glue, I'm gonna be honest. I put one layer on, and the next day my wig was up. it was not sticking anymore, and yeah, I wasn't happy. One layer does not work. In order for, now, mind you, I had my wig on for 5 days, but trust and believe, the 5 days I had it on, it was not being held up by this glue. I guarantee you that. I had to put the Ghost Bond, not the Ghost Bond, the Got to Be spray, the Got to Be holding spray on it to kind of keep the wig down, and you know, to hold the wig. But the glue along that one layer alone did not work at all. Like I said, the next day the wig was coming up. It didn't completely come off my head, but it was section of the wig that was coming up. The glue did not stick as it should. And that next day, I just, like I said, I just put the Got To Be spray on it to hold it down. I believe the second day, because I have been working out, the second day, and it said it works for the hot temperature and high humidity. It doesn't work for that at all. I'm telling you, and I am a sweater, so for me to sweat, the wig just was coming up, and the sections that I had sprayed down with the Got To Be spray, of course that part was coming up, and then sections of the other wig, part of the wig was coming up. So this glue is not that good to me. Now if you guys want something where you just want it to be tacked down for a day or so, then this is your glue. This glue is for you. That's fine. But you guys, they also claimed the cleanup. So you guys, the removal of the wig was like so easy. It had no residue at all. Like when I took my wig off, I saw no residue on my hairline, and when I put the remover on, it literally cleaned up within 2 seconds. It was crazy how fast I cleaned the glue up from my hair. I mean, I only put one layer, but it cleaned up so quickly. It was crazy. And you guys, this glue, this remover has vitamin E and argan oil, which is really good. But the smell of this removal is kind of strong for me. But the removal removed it so quickly, you guys. I was just so surprised how quickly it removed the glue from my hairline. But the glue itself is not, my opinion is, it's not that good at all. Like I said, if you want a one-day wear, then this glue is for you. But if not, if you're looking for this glue to last a week or long, it would not last that long. This glue is not that good for me. But overall, you guys, if I had to give the glue itself a grade from 1 to 10, I would give the glue a 2 out of a 10. That's how much I did not like the glue, you guys. I would give it a 2. But the removal, on the other hand, I would give the removal a 10. The removal was amazing. I'm telling you, I had no residue. And I'm guessing the glue per se, you won't have any residue afterwards, and then you can use the removal, and the removal removes the glue. But the glue, I mean, the remover itself was really, really good. It removed that glue in 2.5 seconds, you guys. But I think that's it, you guys. I have nothing else to say about this glue. I did not have a good experience with this glue. It was not good at all. I like my wigs to stay tacked down for a week or longer, but this did not do that for me. But yeah, you guys, just let me know down in the comment sections, have you ever used this glue? Because I know I'm kind of late on reviewing this glue. I've seen plenty of reviews out there. But this glue was not sent to me. I purchased this glue on my own dime. But yeah, you guys, let me know if you used this glue before, and if you did, let me know how it worked out for you. So yeah, definitely leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know how did this glue work out for you guys. I think that's it, you guys. So make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel. If you already subscribed, I thank you guys for subscribing. If you're not, join the family and hit that subscribe button. And also, you guys, if you're subscribed already or about to click the subscribe button, make sure that you hit the little bell button along with the subscribe button, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know. And also, you guys, if you like this video, make sure that you thumbs it up. And also, you guys, if you like this video so much, make sure you share it with a friend or a family member. And I think that's it, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.